powerful magnitude 5.3 earthquake hits Bali. The 5.3 magnitude tremor hit 89 kilometers south of Bali Thursday morning. No injuries or damages were reported and there was no threat of a tsunami. Tremor was felt in Kuta, Legion, Sana, Nusa Dua and at Denpasar Airport. The tremors were felt early Thursday morning between about 12 am and 3 am local Bali time, waking many people from their sleep. Bed shaking. Awoken by 5.3 earthquake in Bali. The center 35 km SSSE of Kuta, at depth of 60 kilometers. The 5.3 magnitude tremor hit 89 kilometers south of the tropical paradise, with people on the island reporting doors and windows shaking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.